Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. The topic today we discuss is about the light. First of all, introduction. Light is a type of energy that helps us to see things. It travels in waves and is very important for many things we do every day. As you know that plants use light for photosynthesis to make their own food. The speed of light is incredibly fast. National curriculum statement is that light waves traveling through a vacuum speed of light. So, the most important MCQs about related to light is that light allows us to see the surrounding world by distinguishing details, individual colors, movement, brightness. First MCQs is that focal length of plane mirror is. Difference actually light is energy made of small particles called photons. At infinity, zero, negative, none of these. So the correct answer is A. At infinity, focal length of plane mirror is, as you see also in the diagram. Second MCQs, image formed by plane mirror is. ये वो MCQs हैं जो most of times ये आपके repeated हुए in different examination papers में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका पीपीएससी का टेस्ट होता है, आपका जनरल नॉलेज का टेस्ट होता है, आपका स्कूल लेवल्स का टेस्ट होता है, 9th 10th फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर की फिजिक्स में. उसमें ये क्वेश्चंस अगेन अगेन रिपीटेड हुए हैं कि रिफ्रैक्शन क्या है, डायफ्रैक्शन क्या है, रिफ्लेक्शन और रिफ्लेक्शन में डिफरेंस क्या है, स्कैटरिंग क्या है, इंटरफेरेंस क्या है. सो we start real and erect, real and inverted, virtual and erect, virtual and inverted. Image formed by a plane mirror. When a ray of light falls on a surface, then it can undergo one of the following three phenomena. Number one, reflection. Number two, refraction. Or number three, absorption. These three phenomena. When it falls on normal surface, then most of the light get absorbed. So the correct answer is C, visual and erect. Number three, a concave mirror gives real inverted and same size image if the object is placed at F. अब ये आप F पूछेंगे तो F जो है ये फोकल लेंथ है, ठीक है. इसमें ये एक्सेसेस आपको शो हो रहे हैं, प्रिंसिपल एक्सेसेस एट इंफिनिटी, एट सी, बियॉन्ड सी. concave और convex mirror में main difference. Concave mirror reflects light inward. In this picture you can also see the shape. Concave mirror inward है and convex mirror outward है. So at C the concave mirror gives real and same size image if the object is placed. This one. Power of the lens is 40. Its focal length is 4 meter, minus 4 meter, minus 0.5 meter, 25 meter. The correct answer is 0.25 meter. A concave mirror gives visual refract in large image of the object, but image of a smaller size than the size of the object is at infinity between F and C, between P and F. In previous diagram, you can see the diagram of concave mirror, जहाँ पे आपको नजर आ रहा था कि focal length जो है वो और P जो है वो उसकी कहाँ पे उसका एक्सेस शो हो रहे हैं एडी. So between P and F, again I am repeating. A concave mirror gives visual, refract and enlarge image of the object, but image of smaller size than the size of the object is between P and F. In optics, an object which has higher refractive index is called optically rare, optical density and refractive intensity. Denser, main point. Denser mediums are those in which the speed of light decreases it travels through them. The correct answer is optically denser. The optical phenomena twinkling, chamakna of stars is due to atmospheric reflection. In next slide, we discuss about in detail about reflection and refraction. रिफ्लेक्शन और रिफ्लेक्शन में क्या डिफरेंस है मेन टोटल रिफ्लेक्शन एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्लेक्शन टोटल रिफ्लेक्शन द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर सो वो ये कह रहे हैं कि रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट जो है वो इंड्यूस्ड हो रही है बाय द अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर में ठीक है सो ऑप्टिकल फिनोमिना जो ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ स्टार्स किस वजह से होती है एटमॉस्फेरिक refraction refraction convex lens focus a real point sized image at focus the object is placed at focus between f and 2f at infinity at 2f the correct answer is at infinity most important repeated mcqs the unit of power of lens is a meter centimeter m-1 diopter diopter. The radius of curvature of mirror is 20 centimeter of the focal length is 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 5 centimeter. The correct answer is B, 10 centimeter. These, read these points of the reflection and refraction. Main point is that reflection occurs when a wave hits a boundary between the two media where the wave speeds differ. Refraction क्या है? Is a change of the propagation direction of waves when they pass into a medium where they have a different speed. उसमें क्या है रिफ्लेक्शन में क्या हो रहा है कि अकर हो रहा है वेव बाउंड्री बिटवीन टू मीडियम में ठीक है इसमें हो रहा है व्हेन द पास इनटू अ मीडियम वेयर दे हैव अ डिफरेंट स्पीड अर्थ और turn off your light. So any question you have asked, any query, the most important MCQs related to your general knowledge, PPSC, and for further exams. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.